Hello, kindergarten. My name is Mrs. Jameson, and I am so excited to be your kindergarten teacher this year. We are going to have so much fun in kindergarten. We'll make new friends. We're going to learn how to read and write and do math. We're going to learn about the Coast Guard with a Coast Guard reading program. We're also going to have recess and lunch in the cafeteria. You're going to get to go to gym class, music class, library, and art class, and we're going to have playtime in here too. As you can see behind me, there are going to be a lot of otters in our classroom. I'm working really hard right now to get the classroom all the way ready for you so we can have a great time learning and playing together. I can't wait to see all of you. We're going to have a kindergarten open house where you and your families get to come and visit the classroom, see where your desk is, find your cubby, and that's going to be on Tuesday, August 17th. It's from 11:30 to 1, so you and your family can stop in anytime between 11:30 and 1 to meet me. All right, I can't wait to meet all of you. I would love it if you and your grown-ups could please send me a picture of you and even a picture of you and your family so I can put them up on bulletin boards in the classroom. I can't wait to meet you all. See you soon. Bye-bye.